Higher. So in the first part, we have seen classification of microservice design pattern, and now we'll go for the decomposition and how can we decompose our application. So decomposition of the application we can do on the basis of how we have how what kind of application do we have. So first thing, you could have the legacy application. Second, you can have the application which is new application. So these four we can go whatever the uh, design pattern is given here. Those can we can put for our new application, as well as we can implement in the legacy. But the legacy strangler pattern is there, and we will discuss into the next video. So there is a high level for pattern is mentioned. So decomposition by business capability, decomposition by subdomain, self-contained service, service per team. Okay, so these are the four criteria how we can divide our service or business if we are developing the new service, or we are transforming our old or legacy system into the modern system. So these are the criteria, and on the basis of we can segregate, and one by one we will see how we can do that. So if see in day to day we are using Amazon, Flipkart, and so many other applications. They have multiple services they are providing, and we can see how this particular service can we can segregate. So let's say for the example, you have the application which have a single monolithic application, and now this will represent as a monolithic application. And now we are transforming this application into uh, microservices application. And so what could be happen? So just I'm taking an example of day-to-day Amazon, and everybody is quite familiar with the Amazon. So there should be. So if we see the Amazon have the businesses like food, they have fresh, they have pantry, they have music, they have book, and then so many other marketplace. So those kind of businesses they have, and we can segregate one service as a food. We can segregate one service as veg and fruit, so that is known as a fresh right now. Grocery comes under the pantry, and music and book. So this service is not so don't services and UI is always different. So don't know. So how this the Amazon music and book music and our videos are different. They could have the different UI, but we are talking about the services. So this is the business capability of any service, and that's how we divide it. Uh, Now second comes a subdomain, and so if you go through the document, so subdomain and business capability almost nearby. Both are I can say the same, but there is a few difference and domain. So domain in the sense we can take here any application. So again, we will take, okay, this is the Amazon. So few services we can create for the payment. So payment as a service, and same payment we can include into the business as a business capability. Now, if we are creating, so we can create the login is the one service, and then we have seen the review. So review also can we can business capability. But now, if we see the product, so this product, this category can come. And now, vegetable could be product, your food could be product, and your mm, book could be the product, and music could be the product, and this is the category. And that's how the people can search. So same application we can design multiple way. Okay, so this is the one application which you use in day-to-day life, and we can segregate into uh, in the both the way. So there is a know-how, but this is the way to do segregation. So now let's come to self-content service. So self-content service, most of the you are working in a corporate domain, and each organization have quite good portal which have your all the application, and that is a single sign-on. So it's like it have the travel, it have your payroll, it have your time sheet, it's having the help desk. And now the self-contained service means the service which can give you the single-handedly the service have you can create the service, and service can have own application. Either it can integrate it on the it could have their own UI. It could integrated with some other portal. So those kind of service which can have singly uh, handle all operation or life cycle of that particular, like leave management. So leave management have their life cycle, and that service can handle that life cycle. That is known as self-contained service. So self-contained services come into the picture once we have uh, in any organization or ERP kind of thing, where we can create self-contained services. And these services are important while you are designing, where we, let's say, suppose you have, this is the product, and this product is, you are creating the product, and this product, you can enable the service and you can charge it, or customer want only two services, just enable that services, or they want two single services. And so while designing any product or service in such a way, we can design solution in this fashion. Now, service per team. So service per team is very rare, and we should not keep this in our mind. We have to design service per team. But sometimes what happen, we have the resource crunch, or we have very limited resource, and we can utilize our resource properly. That happen, we can go for it, and it should be the logical. So in the microservice, generally is a team of person or two or three, not more than that. That is a concept of microservice, and they are end-to-end responsible each and everything. So these I just put the example here. Payment and return could be handled by one team, and they can check it. So they can create a single server, single service for both of the thing, single functionality, and product and category. And long run, you see this team can handle. So this in this service per team, it more or less is good for your operation, more or less cost effective. So it depends on our organization and situation. Okay, we can divide services as per the team also. So this is the decomposition and decomposition of the new or legacy services, and that's also next video will do stringle pattern, and we will see how we can migrate a legacy application into modern application. So thank you. Bye for today.